Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are safe and taking protective measures to protect yourself. The children vaccine has come, but still, I think uh, the danger is there because new corona strain is also there. And the thing is, you all have to take protective measures to protect yourself. Okay, now, so children, in last class, what we have studied? Last class, if you remember.
Sir, I think so. We were printing hash and dollar
Yes,
in series printing.
but you are not audible.
Hello.
Yes,
Sir, we were printing series, sir, hash and dollar.
patterns, not series. Right? It was pattern, not series. Okay. So let us discuss few questions which are based on series. So just so children, suppose it is 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 15 plus 21 up to n terms, and along with this, suppose it is factorial of 1 plus factorial of 3 plus factorial of upon 4 or 5 factorial, and here if it is 7 factorial, so like that. So are you able to do this question, children, and how to do this? So first of all, you need to identify the way the series progresses, and then after that you need to just implement the logic. So children, how to do that? Yes, hurry up, please tell. Anybody? So children, here the name of the class is series based, and here it is the main method. And if you look at the series, it is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. It is the numerator part. So how many variables are needed? So first of all, we need to have this variable, and few more variables are needed. Children, one variable we need for the numerator part, d, and this variable we need for the factorial. So if anybody has forgot what is factorial, please tell. So in factorial, any issue, any problem? So here it is system.in. So this is what now enter the limit. So that is n is ss.nextInt. So children, just wait for a minute. So we have already entered the value of n, and now one important loop which is I1 up to n I plus plus. So this will be a looping variable for. And now first of all focus on the numerator part, which is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, like that. So how to do that? So for that purpose I have taken this d variable. So if you print that d part, you can see that these values will come, which are, so here you can see that suppose if it is 5, so 5 terms will come like 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. And here, just wait. If it is 10, so next 10 terms will come like 1, 3, 6, 10, like that. So children, this is how the numerator part is coming. And now the next part, which is the denominator part, and it is odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and the factorial of that. So before that, I would like to tell you what is a factorial. We have already taken this variable n, and for factorial, I have taken this f. Suppose we want to find out the factorial of n. So what to do? F is equals to f into I. This is the variable. So f is equals to f into I, and here after that you can print the factorial is f. The factorial is this. So here what to do? Suppose the value is 7, you can see that the factorial is 5040. So it is actually multiplying all the values, which is, suppose it is 4. So the factorial is 24, which is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. But children, suppose you want to have the factorial of odd numbers, you have to do something else. So because for odd numbers, how to get the odd numbers? And for the factorial of odd number, you need to have this variable f is equals to 1 inside this, because every time for a fresh value we need to reinitialize this variable. And for the odd numbers, how to get that odd number? So j is less than or equals to 2 into I minus 1, you can write. So if I, the value of I is 1, so 1 into 2, 2 minus 1 means 1. If it is 3, the value of I is 2, then 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, which is 3. So this is how odd numbers are coming. So for the factorial of odd numbers, you need to have this variable f is equals to f into j. So children, this is how the factorial is coming, and for the numerator part, you can write simply this. And now, in order to calculate the sum of the series, one more variable is needed, which is double sum is 0.0, and that is sum is equals to sum plus that d upon f. And after this, we have got here, we can print the sum of the series is that sum. So children, I hope you people have understood. So if any query, any problem, then please ask.
So why are we using long data type?
Because actually children, long data type can store the factorial of large values also. So up to 10 now it's working, but here the series, the value is such different. 1.0. I think there will be a change in the output. Wait, suppose it is 10. So yes, it is coming like this. So actually children, what is happening here, the long data type I have taken so that the factorial of large numbers we can calculate, because long is having the size 64 bits, which is of 8 bytes, as double is having. That's why it will be helpful. Yes, any other query? Because int cannot store the factorial of after 12, I think. if I'm just this question we have done. So if you want the solution, please tell me. I will post this on GCR. But I don't think that you need this. Or should I send? Beta, please tell.
Sir, please send.
Kar de raha hai, wait. So this is what Siri is. So here, this is the solution. So I'm posting the solution along with the question, right? So this I will explain why I have done that. And now, suppose you are asking me now why long data type. So here is the reason. I have taken FS1 and I would like to input the number, enter number whose factorial I need to have. So new scanner, I'm using temporary instance of that. Next int, and here I would like to calculate the factorial of that. So up to n I plus plus f is equals to f into I, and after that here it is the factorial is f. So that is, children, suppose here it is 10, it's fine, it's calculating. Just increase the value. If it is 12, it is calculating, no issues. If it is 15, see what happens. Yes, it is fine. Let us see 19. It's okay. Still it is, then 22. Now you can see 22, the answer is negative here, which is not correct because it exceeds the range. So if it is 21, then yes, again, so it will not be able to find the factorial of 21. Here, if it is 20, then see what happens. Still, it is not able to. So it means integer can hold the factorial of up to 19. So if I'm keeping this long data type, and wait, here if it is long data type, and suppose it is 35, you can see it is able to calculate the factorial of large values also. So here I have taken this, but up to some extent it is not able to calculate the factorial of 64, but up to, suppose if it is up to 40, no, not 40, up to 55 it was okay, but let us see, up to 35 it was okay. So it is 37, then see what happens. Here it is able to calculate. Let me check one more value, that is 39, and that is, yes, it is able to calculate up to 40. If you see that 40, no, it is not able. So up to 39, long will be able to calculate the factorial. That's why I prefer long. In your exam copy, if you are writing, suppose integer, then also I will consider, because checking on paper on copy need not to run the program there. Simply I will check the logic or what you have written. Any problem, any issues, children, please tell.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
so one more question. So that's why I always prefer using that long data type, right? Okay, now one more question I'm giving, that is power of 1 plus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 7 plus x to the power of 9, and here up to n terms. And here what I want to write is that upon 1 upon so children, it is yes, it is 3 and here it is 7, and here it is 15. So please try to, first of all, you need to identify the series, what the series is calculating, and then you will be able to write that. So please tell me what to do. So please try, children. First of all, you have to identify what this series is doing. Yes. Yes. Beta, please tell. Anybody who has done, who has completed? Yes, how many of you are attempting this question? Anybody who is attempting, please tell. Mayu Upadhyay, Jayavardhan,
Yes, sir.
Gaurav. So please try. Any problem? Yuvraj Srivastav. Okay, Divyansh Chaudhary, you have shared the code. Let me check. Divyansh, it is 2 into I minus 1 and 2. Okay, yes, it's absolutely correct, Divyansh. It is absolutely correct. So first of all, you have to just identify the series, and then only you will be able to do that. Matri Gupta. Beta, show the code if you have written. Yes, hurry up, show. Yes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, beta.
Sir, my code was wrong, sir. I'm sending it again.
Your code was wrong where?
Sir, I forgot x to the power,
But you have
not dot
written,
tau x.
okay, you have written x2 comma I minus 1. So you have to write 2 to the power I minus 1 separately.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is, the font is so small now, so that we are not able to, I was just confused that you have written that only. Okay, anybody else? Anybody else have written the code, then please tell. Children, here for the sum, you just need a variable. Double sum is 0.0, and the limit you have already entered. Just focus on the series 1379. So first of all, 1379. Child, you could avoid using that math.pow also. Divyansh. Just write p is equals to 1. You could avoid using that math.pow also because math.pow is a function, and so the execution of the same will involve function call statement also. So which will make your PC little bit slow during the execution and display of the result. So what you can do, simply here you people can write that you just start a loop that is it is up to 1 less than or equals to n I plus plus, and here what you can write, sum you can write simply p is equals to p into 2, so it will generate the power of 2, and here sum is equals to sum plus what, that x to the power that so here you have to write math.pow x to the power 2 into I minus 1, not 2 into I minus 1, but yes, it is 2 into I minus 1, and upon that p. So simply you can write this, Divyansh, and here what to write is the sum is that sum. One more thing which I have done here, I have forgot to enter the value of x. So that is after you have entered the limit, enter the value of x. Enter the value of x. So that is x is ss.nextInt. Scanner also I have not defined, I have removed earlier. So scanner ss, new scanner system.in. So children, this is what is needed. Suppose the value of limit is 10 and x is 2, so the sum is 1023 point. In place of enter number, you can write enter limit. So children, this is the question. You all have to write like this. So I'm posting this code also on GCR. So it is like this. So if anybody is having any confusion, please ask. Any confusion, any query, please ask, children.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Ritvik.
Sir, please once more explain that the use of p variable.
But here p means initial value of p is 1. So first time it is 1 into 2, 2. Next time it is 2 into 2, 4. Next time it is 4 into 2, 8. So power of 2 is coming like that. But here we have no choice. Here we have to use math.pow because it is 2 to the power that odd number. But here we have the choice. So I have avoided using this because I told you now that math.pow is a function. So if possible you can avoid using function, then avoid using inbuilt function. I'm talking about inbuilt function. In some cases you need to write that code, so you have no choice.
Sir, the powers are starting from 0. Sir, but it is calculating from 1.
So where it is from 0?
Sir, in the series.
Where it is?
2, sir, 2 to the power 0 is 1.
V- It is, these are the odd numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
These are not 2 to the
Divi-
power 0, 1.
So divided by 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1. Okay.
2 to the power 1 minus 1, 1. 2 to the power 2 minus 1, 3. 2 to the power 3 minus 1, 7. 2 to the power 4 minus 1. So it is not starting from 0. Anyway, who is this? Divyansh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Divyansh, you are not picking calls of Gaurav.
Sir? No, sir. I
Okay,
don't know.
so do you know that something about computer club?
Yes, sir.
So you have not approached me. You are not interested.
Sir, I am interested.
So do you know my WhatsApp number?
No, sir.
Take it from Gaurav and then give a text message to me after that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, children, any problem? Now, one more question I am giving you. The question is write a program to input any number and input any number or prime number and generate the next consecutive prime. You have to input a number and then you have to generate next consecutive prime. What to do? Hurry up. What to do in this case? You have to generate next consecutive prime. Children, and one question I'm giving you homework that it's your choice. You have to do. And before that, I will tell you how to generate next consecutive prime. So the question is it is the first prime number. It is the second prime number. And it is the third prime number. It is the fourth prime number. It is the this one, the fifth one, and here it is 13, the next one. So these are the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime numbers, and this question you have to do your own. So this question is for homework, and after doing this question you can post me, you can mail me on the mail ID you have. But here the question which I am going to do is for the next prime. The children, here in the next prime, what to do? So first of all, I hope you all know that how to check whether a number is prime or not. So for that you have you need to count just the factors of the number itself. So uh, here enter number, and that is n, next int, and here new this. And now what to do? Here what to do? While f is not equals to 2. Because I have assumed that if any number is having two factors, it will be a prime number. So initial value of f is 0. So control will immediately move inside the function body. And now it will come out only when the value of f is 2. If the value of f is not 2, it will not terminate. It will calculate, it will continue till the value of f is not 2. And inside that, make f0. And inside that, just increment the value of n by 1. So suppose you have entered 3, the next consecutive prime number we want, so it will start checking from 4 because 3 you have already entered. So it will check for 4, it will check for 5, it will check for 6, and in between if any number you got which is a prime number, immediately it will terminate. So here j will be 1, it is up to n, and j plus plus. And what to do is if n mod j is 0, then f is equals to f plus 1. So children, when this loop got terminated, you will have, these are the nested looping patterns. So here what to do is next prime number is, that is n. So the next prime number that is n. So here you can see that suppose you have got the number 7 and here you can see that the prime number is 11. And if you got the number suppose 13, you can see that the next prime number is 17. So I hope the next prime number you all have understood. So this is a simple
Yes, sir.
loop. So any problem, any confusion, anything, if you want to tell, please tell. Children, shall I post the same code on GCR also?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
code for next prime. This is the code for next prime. And one more code which is there, I have given you. So now I'm just want to share you the Google Form link so that you people can mark your attendance. And children, one more thing I would like to tell you. Suppose your teacher is calling you for any urgent reason, and it happened with this class, and I have experienced that few children did not pick, and when they listen that teacher is there, they don't respond, and they don't have the courtesy even to call the teacher back. And in case if they need any help, then they WhatsApp. So this is not done. So children, this is because in this online teaching era, you can realize that during when teacher is teaching you and if something relevant teacher want to tell you, if any question teacher want to ask you, you need to respond. And if you see that the teacher's call is there or you have missed that call, you can simply text a message, sir, what happened, any work, any issue, or what you want to tell me. Got it? On that examination day, I was trying few children that your email I have not received, but nobody was picking. So this is not good, na? Okay, so please mark your attendance, and after marking your attendance, you may leave the session. Thank you.
Sir, please send the link.
But a link I have not sent. Okay, wait, I'm sending you. Okay. So this is the link I have sent. So please mark your attendance, and after marking attendance, you can leave. Thank you.